Hey developers, welcome back to Learn with GM. Today we are starting episode 1 of our brand new Unity UI series, and I am super excited to guide you step by step on how to build professional looking user interface for your games. If you ever felt lost about how buttons, sliders, score displays, health bar or menus work in Unity, this series will clear all your confusion. So let's start from the very beginning. In Unity, UI stands for user interface. It's the visual layer of your game, the part player interact with directly. Think about this like, did you have a game where you are seeing this interface? So in here, the player will interact with this item first. This is the user interface of your game. Like it could be a lobby, the health bar, the point bar, the energy bar, the gem, the tutorial info, could be a pop-up, could be settings, and could be all the infos visually seeing in your game. Unity uses a combination of game objects and components to create UIs. The basic building blocks are canvas. It's our empty sim. So in here, if we go our hierarchy, we will see UI tab. And at first, if we try to create any of our UIs from here, like if we try to create a button, you see it creates automatically a canvas and a event system. So what is canvas? Canvas is like the root container of all the UI elements. Every UI objects lives under the canvas. Like see, we created the button and it goes under our canvas. Think of it as a whiteboard where you place all your button text and images. Here we keep our button. If we create any other item like images and anything, it will go under the canvas. There can be multiple canvas in one scene. We will see later. Initially, you will get one canvas and here all the elements will keep here. In here, we can see our RectTransform. Unlike regular transform, RectTransform UI elements uses RectTransform, which controls position. Here we see position X, position Y and position Z, width and height of the element. We can see size and anchors. We will see that later in the 2D space. So let's see some of our UI element in the canvas. We have created a button, image. Let's see create some of other item. Could be a slider or input field. See, it's on our scene. This is UI elements. And another thing, one common thing in every scene, that is event system. This is the brain behind all user interactions. It handles clicks, touches and navigation between UI elements. In your scene, there could be one event system. If you don't create it, it will get created automatically. So let's create our first UI element. Deleting all the item. Let's create a button. Go to UI system and button. You will see the button in your scene. Here you can set all the sizes and position is here. If you are moving this, you will see the position X and Y, it will moving, and you can change the height and width. Like if we change the width from here, is changing its width and it can change its height. Okay, so we have created our first button. Inside the button, we can see there is a text. This is the visual of your button. Like you can tell any name here. We changing this play. So let's hit play our Unity scene. Let's see what happened. See, you just create a clickable button inside the Unity. Your button is clickable. Now there is no action attached in this button, so we can't do anything, but When we attach something with the button, it will click and it will do something here. Okay, let's see some anchoring and scaling. Okay, initially we just make our screen. Okay, so the UI element get visually comfortable. Okay, so see, when you select the button, you will see there is anchoring comings. When designing UI, your layout must fit different screen sizes. Like if you come here, you will see the different sizes is here: portrait, landscape, and others thing. It could support mobile, desktop, and console. That's where the anchor come in. If you select the button and all the UI element, you will see the anchors preset here. Press Alt to see all the presets here. You can set it anywhere you want. Like if you need the top left, you can select this. The button will go top left. If you need top right, you select the anchors, it will go top right, and bottom left, bottom right, so on. If you need middle, it will come middle. You need place it wherever your needed position. So what does this do? This do, when you select this on the top left, it will stays on the top left in any screen sizes. See, when we change all our sizes, it stays always in our top left position, and so on. If you keep this in bottom right, all screen sizes fits the object in the bottom right. Check it. So this is what the anchors do here. So next we see, okay, keep our object in middle. Next object is pivot. Pivot is the place from where the object is scale or rotate. If you go there, your pivot is currently in middle. So you can change this, like select this item and change this from here, or you can set it x-axis or y-axis or any position. Okay. So in rotation you can go this. If your object needs rotation, the button needs rotation, you can rotate from here. Scale is the thing. If you need your item scaling, you can scale it from here. So this is the RectTransform items of an UI element. Go and play it all the items and check your necessary items from here. And that's it for our episode 1. You have just met the core members of Unity UI system. In the next episode, we will break down canvas types, like here. Different canvas type: screen space overlay, screen space camera, world space, and explaining you when and why use each of them. So if you are serious about making professional game UIs, hit subscribe and tap the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching. I will see you in episode 2.